Python pandas check if a value occurs more than once in the same day. I have a pandas data frame as below. What I am trying to do is check if a station has variable ye and any other variable on the same day, as in the case of station 1. If this is true, I need to delete the whole row containing ye. Currently I am doing this using iteros and looping to search the days in which this variable appears, changing the variable to something like delete me, building a new data frame from this, because pandas doesn't support replacing in place, and filtering the new data frame to get rid of the unwanted rows. This works now because my data frames are small, but is not likely to scale. Question: this seems like a very non-pandas way to do this. Is there some other method of deleting out the unwanted variables?
I might index using a Boolean array. We want to delete rows, if I understand what you're after, anyway, which have yi and more than one day2/station combination. We can use transform to broadcast the size of each day2/station combination up to the length of the data frame, and then select the rows in groups which have length is greater than 1. Then we can end this with where the wi's are.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.